Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia, and today I've got a Tesla Model X Plaid. This is one of my most favorite Teslas. These are amazing vehicles, and we love to get these in here for customization, whether it's doing a full color change, adding PPF, installing a wheel and tire package, whatever it takes. Always love to get these in here. This vehicle is something special. This customer first came to us with their Cybertruck, and we wrapped it with gloss liquid platinum T-Max PPF, and he wanted to do the same thing on his wife's Model X Plaid. And this is actually a white vehicle. So now you're looking at a full color change, which is an amazing color. It's been super popular on Cybertrucks, but look at how good it hits on this Model X. In my mind, it's a merger of, I would say, a silver and a brown. It's something lighter than charcoal. It's not as common as silver or charcoal or one of those grays. It's got that goldish brown hue, really pops. But on this car, I'm proud of this. This is an amazing job on the installation. And then whether it's the trim around the wheel arches, taking the mirrors off, the camera cover, any of the trim around this vehicle, we're gonna pull it off. We wanna make sure that the color change film rolls over the edge and you cannot see the underlying white paint anywhere at any angle, no matter what. It's really a super cool transformation to go from white or whatever Tesla gave you to any color you pick from us. And we've got a lot. It's gonna be super cool when this customer picks up in their Cybertruck, and we're gonna have a his and hers with T-Max gloss liquid platinum side by side on a Cybertruck and this Model X Plaid. Can't wait to see it. Let us know in the comments below, what do you guys think of this color? What color do you want to see next on a Model X? And of course, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back soon because we've got a lot more Tesla Model X content coming your way.